croeso mawr, yn gynta, sut mae'n mynd? How's it going?
Anodd.
Anodd. Mae'n anodd.
Ie.
Mae'n anodd.
Dwi anhofio popeth.
Na. Yma i sylwebu, here to commentate. Couple of pethau, few things help, yn Cymraeg. Goal is goal.
Goal.
Good start.
Yeah.
Hwna'n help.
Dwi'n mynd deud, goal!
Go ni off.
Mae'r ar y chwith, mae'n pasio i Brobel. O, sgiliau gwych i ffindio Chiselwich, sy'n meddwl mae'n amal cael tro. Gol! Am gol, mae hi'n gyfartel. Cefn a chroed.
Fabulous. Cefn y Rwyd, yn wir.
Bloody heart attack.
Sylwebeth, commentary Cefn y Rwyd hefyd. Brilliant, good effort.
OK, diolch.
I have to ask, fel Cymraeg Ross Brom, Hal Robson-Kanu.
Yeah.
We're all obsessed. Yw e'n mynd i'r Euros? Should he go to the Euros?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dwi caru Hal Robson-Kanu.
Ni gyd yn caru Hal Robson-Kanu.
Can speak in English?
Yeah.
So when he came, when we first got him, you know, even when he was on the bench, we sort of loved him for some reason. It's just because we had a good song about him. It goes... I think at first it was like, we've got Kanu, Robson-Kanu. We don't think you understand. We got him on a free. We're going to Wembley. We've got Robson-Kanu. And we said, and he'd come on and he'd score. And that, the whole ground would be singing it. But this year he's been a different thing. I think Slaven might have been good for him. He's just quicker. You know, he's just on it. He's been fantastic for us, and he's got to go. He's got to go to the Euros. Are you going to ask me about Andy Johnson, who played for us?
Yes. Oh. Another one. Welsh connection.
He did some running, didn't he?
He sat on a lot of benches for Wales over the years.
Somebody said to me his second touch was always a tackle. Because the first one tended to get away.
Diolch yn fawr iawn am fod ar sgorio. Thank you for being on sgorio. Ni'n caru pêl-droed.
Dwi angen y marfer mwy.
Ond da iawn.
Cymraeg.
O, da iawn. Mae'n hyfryd. Da iawn ti.